Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in the business day. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. Carib Cement saw increased profit for its third quarter. That and so much more later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. And Renardo is also here. He has a preview of what's to come in sports. Renardo?
Well, Herman, Jamaica's under-20 sprint hurdler Kirika Hill has been nominated for the World Athletics Rising Star Award, and we will have the latest in the Jamaica Scorpions game against the Leeward Islands Hurricanes.
And of course, there is the feedback question, Herman.
Our question this evening. What's your reaction to the revelation that children have been implicated in 875 major crimes over a 4-year period?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.